Welcome to Loomiland, where every day is full of wonder. Here lives our cheerful little friend, Loomy. Loomy loves helping others, making friends. Hello, everyone! I'm Loomy. Are you ready for today's magical adventure? Let's go together! Our rainbow disappeared. Without the rainbow, Loomiland loses its magic.
We have to find out what happened.
The rainbow tree cannot grow because someone lost the rainbow seed.
Then let's find it.
I'll only let you pass if you answer my magic question.
What color do you get when you mix blue and... Can you help me?
Green! Green!
Correct! You may continue.
I was just lonely. You don't have to be alone. Will you be our friend? Kindness is the greatest magic of all. Huh? Which mushroom should we choose? Huh? Which mushroom should we choose? Look at the rainbow in this magic of all. Kindness makes the... Smile together, pure delight. Thank you for helping save... Look at the rainbow in this magic of all.